What's up guys, it's JV here from RGB Custom Sabers, of course, and today we have another saber reveal. This is Vernon Miller's SaberForge Bastion, SaberForge. We polished it up, so it looks really good. It's got a bunch of fingerprints on it right now, obviously because I've been handling it, but it's looking as good as new, a lot better than what we got it. It was all beat up, it had some scratches, so you guys can see this, the glossy shine to it. Not mirror finish, but it's just polished up and looking really nice and clean. This has a Nano Biscotti version 4 with a PEX, and it's full RGB, so he can have any color he wants basically, with the power extender and the NBv4. So he has a full 3-channel color mixing right there. Let me focus my camera. The focusing isn't working that well, sorry about that. So this has a Jordan's chassis in it, and it works great with the PEX and the Nano. Everything fits. The recharge port is on the outside, as you guys can see. It has a silver momentary switch, and it has my new kill keys. They're 3D printed. You guys can see that. Focus. There you go. Those are my new kill keys. I'm selling them for $5 each. If you guys want to get some, let me know. You can message my page or me through my personal Facebook page. If you want these kill keys, they're offset. I don't have a 3D printer, but these are mine. I'm in contact with a 3D print artist. His name is Marvin Cliff Morris, and we are working on a deal right now. So if I ever have a design to print out anything, he told me I could resell them. So these are my kill keys. This particular kill key, it looks like it's clear, the color. It's actually glow in the dark. So say you drop the kill key somewhere, you're dueling or whatever, and it just falls out, or you have a hole in your pocket or whatever. Use your saber, take out the blade, shine the light in the grass or wherever you can't find it, and it'll illuminate. And I'll show you that in a little bit. But anyway, let's go through the fonts. He wanted let me look that up real quick, because you guys know how bad I am with fonts and remembering the names. So he wanted, I should leave up a white window up on my computer so you guys can see my face a little better. Wind, and he also wanted Frozen Winds, and he wanted a Mace Windu font, so I went with the Master Windu font. So we have those. I'm going to leave a window open so you guys can see my face a little better. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. And there, it's a little better. So let's go through the fonts real quick so you guys can check it out.
Let go your earthly tether. Enter the void. Empty. And become wind.
And I have my mic on this side over here, so whenever I'm going through a font changing, I'm going to be putting it on this side a little bit so you guys can hear it a little better. Let me guys know, as always, if you can't hear me, let me know. I'll change something. If you guys can't see my face, if anything, let me know and I'll do my best to accommodate y'all, because that's what it's about here. Customers, fans, whoever, followers, subscribers. So here we go. This is the first font, and it's a teal color, so it looks really, really good. It's super bright too. The blade plug is the new standard blade plugs by SaberForge that they give you for free. You guys can see there. I've shown it to you guys before, so that's what they are. That's what they look like. And we focus again. Has a yellow flash on flash.
We're keepers of the peace, not soldiers.
So this is the Mace Windu font. Of course, this is going to have a purple. I went with a more deep purple, like an indigo kind of, and it has a yellow flash on flash as well. So that looks really good. And the last one is Wind, of course. These are the frozen winds. And this one is just a royal blue with a purple flash on flash. So those are the fonts. Let me show you how the kill key illuminates where it glows in the dark. So I'll turn off the light real quick so you guys can see it. You know what, actually I'll do that when I turn off the lights with the blade. I'll just show it to you guys real quick. So you can actually see it a little brighter with the lights on, actually, but I'll show it to you guys right now when I turn off the light. Let's put a blade in so you guys can see the color fully. So I'm actually going to deliver this to Vernon. I'm going to be driving up to where he lives. He lives about an hour away from me because I need to be in that area anyway. So he's going to get it this weekend. I will hand deliver it to him so I get to see first time, well not the first time, but a rare customer reaction to one of the products that I give them. So here's the royal blue. Very, very bright. Purple flash on flash. You guys like my poster I got from Fandango? Last Jedi comes out next week.
Let go your earthly tether. Enter the void. Empty and become wind.
This is that nice teal color with the yellow flash on flash. And with this one, I forgot to mention I added a flicker to it, just because it's like a frozen wind type. So I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Kind of. But there's that more of a flicker to this font on the LED. So it looks really realistic, really cool.
We're keepers of the peace, not soldiers.
It's a nice purple. And of course the camera doesn't pick it up as well, so just look at the illumination off my face, my shirt, whatever. So let me show you guys with the lights off now. Let me show you the kill key real quick. So here's the kill key, glows in the dark. You guys can see it. Obviously, if I put direct light on it, it'll be a lot better. Let me just show you guys real quick. It's pretty neat. And I do have different colors. I have red, blue, yellow, actually green, not yellow, black, white, all those. So there we go, it's a lot brighter now so you guys can see it. So it's super bright. So if you ever lose these out in the dark and you can't find them, I know I've had that problem before. Testify to that. But yeah, let's go through the colors again. I'll just show it to you real quick. Here's the purple, yellow flash on flash, here's the royal blue, purple flash on flash, and the teal with yellow flash on flash is next.
Let go your earthly tether. Enter the void. Empty and become wind.
This color looks super awesome in person. Looks really good. Very nice. So, Brandon, there's your saber. Like I said, I will be delivering this to you personally. I'll be sure to bring you some goodies when I see you. That again is going to be in 6 days actually. So, depending on when you're available, just let me know. I'll be in that area for 2 days, or half a day, the 9th and the 10th, and then I'll leave that night. So just let me know, and you will have your saber, sir. Again, guys, thanks for the support this week. It's been a little rough, but there's been some awesome positivity and feedback from you guys. Thank you all for the support. Laters.